Hi there, students. Sonorous, an adjective. Sonorously. So effectively the basic meaning of sonorous is loud. Yeah? A sonorous shout, a loud shout, a sonorous noise, a loud noise. And you can use it like that. Obviously the word sonorous does have more nuance to it. If something's sonorous, it has this deep, pleasant, resounding sound. Yeah, and that's, I think, the idea of sonorous. So particularly common, a sonorous voice. A good opera singer should have a sonorous voice, something that is loud and pleasant and deep. And that gives the idea of sonorous, full sounding. Yeah, it's got this full, beautiful sound to it, this deep, resonant sound. So, in the cave, my sonorous footsteps rebounded and echoed everywhere. Yeah, a ringing echo, a sonorous echo. Okay, a sonorous voice. Yeah, he sang sonorously. Yeah, capable of giving out a loud, deep, resonant sound, full and loud in sound. A full, loud sound. I think resonant, rich, ringing, booming, vibrant, deep. Yeah. So it's capable of producing this good sound. The sonorous ringing of the bell tolled sonorously. Dong. Gives the idea of sonorous. He spoke in sonorous tones. Yeah. The sounds were sonorously beautiful. You can also use this sonorous metaphorically to mean something that's impressive, that's imposing, particularly a style of speech or a style of language. Majestic, extravagant. So his sonorous words rang true to the people. A sonorous speech. He gave sonorous words of condemnation about what was happening. Yeah, he condemned what was happening sonorously. A good poem has a very sonorous tone to it, a very ringing tone to it. Some words are more sonorous than others. Yeah, the sonorous sounds of the double bass. Could a flute be sonorous? Probably not. The pitch is too high. It's got to be lower. Low sonorous tones. But metaphorically impressive. Serious. Using important and high-flown language. Yeah, the sonorous vocabulary. So if you're speaking, if you want to make something sound more formal, you need to use sonorous language, not just informal things. Okay, so sonorous language, sonorous verse. His sonorous prose rang a feeling with the people. Okay, so sonorous, resonant, resounding with sound, particularly of a voice, loud and deep toned. Yeah, sonorous language, sonorous words, sonorous adjectives. Yeah, rich, full sounding and intelligent, serious, high-flown, maybe even to the point of being grandiloquent. Yeah, so maybe a bit wordy as well. But let's see. A sonorous speech. Yeah, rich with good words to it. Okay, formality. I'm going to give this, I think, a 6 in formality. I think deep or loud informally. I guess you might just use it informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal or formal writing. Yeah, it's a good word, it's a good vivid verb, adjective to replace loud or loud and good sounding. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin sonorus, from sonor, sound. So the origin is easy. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Sonorous.